Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's video on how to generate access tokens on GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you can type github.com in your web browser and then you sign up and then you are good to go. So we'll navigate our mouse to this side. If you see something like this, you just click on it and then you go to settings. Okay, so when you go to settings, you scroll down to look for developer settings. And then you come here, you can see that we have two types of tokens. Fine grain tokens comes with more security and authorization, but tokens classic is for, it doesn't need much authorization, so we just click on this. Okay, and then we generate a new token classic, right? So you can give your access token in a note, like for reference, so that you don't, after generating the token, you don't forget what it was created for. So I'm going to just say trial because I'll just say trial P. Okay, then I'll give the expiration date as 7 days. Don't forget to take this because you give it access to repositories. All right, then you scroll down to generate token. Okay, so the moment you're done generating this token, you have to copy this and paste it anywhere. Like you can copy and then keep it anywhere in your Google Docs or Google Document or anything so that you don't lose it. Because the moment you refresh this page, you no longer have access to the token that you generated. So this is all about generating access tokens on GitHub. Thank you so much for watching.